The first time I built this project in 1997, I made it out of oak. This time, I'm going to do it out of pine. First thing to do is to determine all the sizes of the pieces you will need, and then I cut my 1x12, slightly larger than these pieces so I have room to cut them out. For the horse's head, I had to glue 3 pieces together, and for the horse's tail, I glued 2 pieces together and let it cure overnight. Making the templates is the baseline to how well this project can or cannot turn out. So going by the book, all the templates were laid out in 1/4 inch scale, so I scaled them up to full size, traced them out on graph paper. And with the templates, I try to make them as perfect as possible. I take my time, I carefully cut them out of paper, and then I transfer those patterns straight to the pieces of wood that we'll be cutting with. So from the templates, we'll be making a tail, a head, 2 body sides, 4 legs. These will be the only pieces that we need templates for, as everything else will be cut with a standard chop saw or table saw. Each piece was tricky in its own way. The rocker had a trick as far as I made the template for half of the rocker, and then what I did is put it on the wood, traced it out, and then folded it for the other half so it was more symmetrical. So what I'll do is I'll make the one rocker, cut it out, get it to size, and then I'll use this as a template to trace the second rocker for the horse. The key is that all identical pieces must look the same. Same thing with the legs. I'll only do one of these the template way, cut it out, get it sanded down, and then use this one as a template to make the other 3 legs. So the process just repeats with both body sides. And then repeats again with the head. But don't forget to mark the 3/4 inch drilling holes for the eyes and the handle. And with the tail, check out the next video, as I will be showing you how I cut these out with the table saw, band saw, chop saw, and jigsaw.